There's a hidden YouTube niche right now, and almost everyone is asleep at the wheel while creators are stampeding into overcrowded lanes like AI news, finance, music, and motivation. A brand new channel called Mr. Science quietly showed up, posted just 7 videos, and in roughly 1 month crossed over 60,000 subscribers, with the very first upload pulling more than 6 million views. And when you see numbers like that, it's not luck, it's a system working exactly as designed. And here's the part most people miss. Channels in this niche can realistically generate thousands of dollars every single month from ads alone, without merch, without courses, without selling anything at all. So stick around until the end, because I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step and show you how to replicate this from scratch, without guessing, without showing your face, and without expensive tools. Now here is what makes this niche so powerful. These videos are completely faceless. No camera, no lighting, no studio, no advanced editing. Just deep-sea creatures, raw footage from the darkest, unexplored parts of the ocean, paired with curiosity-driven narration. And humans are hardwired to obsess over the unknown. The deep ocean feels alien, dangerous, and mysterious, which makes people watch longer. And when people watch longer, YouTube pushes the video more, which creates a feedback loop that benefits small channels, especially. So what you're really doing here is leveraging psychology, not science degrees. And in this video, I'm breaking everything down, from idea to upload, using free AI tools only. So don't skip any part and watch this all the way through, because missing one step can kill the whole system. Now let's break it down.
The ocean looks calm from the surface, but below the light something changes, and as we descend, the world grows colder, darker, and heavier, with pressure squeezing every familiar shape until survival itself begins to rewrite the rules, turning once normal animals into forms that look unfinished.
The first thing that matters is the topic and title, and I can't stress this enough. If nobody clicks, nothing else matters. The editing could be perfect, the voiceover could be incredible, and it still fails, because this is where most creators self-sabotage. They overthink, they choose boring angles, or they write titles that explain instead of tease. Curiosity beats clarity every single time. So to remove the guesswork, I've already created a ready-to-use Google Doc filled with proven topic prompts and script prompts built specifically for deep-sea science and faceless channels. These prompts are engineered for high click-through rates and long watch time. You literally copy, paste, and generate ideas instantly, even if you've never made a video before. The link is in the description, and trust me, don't skip it, because this saves hours of trial and error. Now, real quick, if you've made it this far, hit the like button. It signals value to the algorithm and helps push this to more creators who want to build faceless channels using systems, not luck. Alright, back to the process. Open the Google Doc and copy the full topic prompt. This prompt is designed to generate viral deep-sea creature ideas that already align with what YouTube rewards. Next, open your AI writing tool. I'm using ChatGPT, but any AI text generator works. Paste the prompt into the chat box and change one thing: the number of video ideas or titles you want generated. Then hit enter. In seconds, you'll get a list of curiosity-driven, click-worthy titles that tap into fear, mystery, and discovery. If the first list doesn't hit, don't panic. Just ask for more options and the AI will spin out fresh ideas instantly. Scroll slowly and pick the one that triggers that instinctive click response, because if it grabs you, it will grab strangers too. Now that you've locked in your topic, the next step is to script, and this is where retention is built. Go back to the Google Doc and copy the full script prompt. This prompt is designed to create cinematic, documentary-style narration, the same pacing and tone these viral channels use. Paste it into ChatGPT, then adjust 2 things. First, the length in minutes. This is where you can aim for 15 to 20 minutes depending on your strategy. Longer videos often earn more ad revenue. Second, enter the topic number you selected earlier, then hit enter. In seconds, ChatGPT will generate a full, structured script with a strong hook, tension throughout, and payoff at the end, without you writing a single line yourself. This is pure leverage. Now, before moving on, do a quick read-through and make sure the pacing feels right. You want short, intriguing sentences early and slower, explanatory sections later. This keeps people watching, which again feeds the algorithm. Next, we turn that script into a voiceover, and this is where quality matters. For this, we use 11 Labs. Go to 11 Labs, sign up, and once you're inside, click Instant Speech. Now jump back to ChatGPT, copy the full script, paste it into 11 Labs, and clean it up. Remove headings, notes, anything you don't want read aloud. Then click Voices and preview different options. You're looking for a calm, confident documentary tone. Nothing robotic, nothing overly dramatic. Once you find it, click Generate and download the voiceover. You now sound like a professional narrator without owning a mic. Now, visuals. This part scares beginners, but it's actually simple. Most channels in this niche rely on free stock footage from sites like Pexels or Vecteezy, because the ocean footage already looks cinematic. Head to Pexels, type the sea creature from your script, switch to the Videos tab, and download enough clips to match each section. Don't overthink it. Variety matters more than perfection. Multiple angles, different lighting, slow movement. This keeps the video visually dynamic and increases watch time, which again feeds the algorithm. Now let's assemble everything in CapCut. Open CapCut, start a new project, import all your clips, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, then import your voiceover and cut out dead air, pauses, and mistakes to keep pacing tight. Next, arrange your clips on the timeline. Keep each clip between 5 and 10 seconds. This maintains momentum and prevents viewer fatigue. Then add overlay transitions. Apply them across the timeline so everything flows smoothly. Next, add video effects. Choose one subtle cinematic effect and stretch it across the entire video. Consistency matters more than flashy effects. Next, captions. Click Text, Auto Captions, choose a clean, readable template, generate and adjust placement. Captions increase retention because many people watch without sound. Finally, add background music. Keep it low, atmospheric, and non-distracting. Watch the entire video start to finish. Adjust anything that feels slow or confusing, then export in 4K and you're done. Your faceless deep-sea science video is ready to upload. Now don't skip this last part. Upload strategy matters. Use the curiosity-driven title from earlier, pair it with a dark, high-contrast thumbnail, and publish consistently. Even one video per week is enough to build momentum over time. If this tutorial helped you, drop a comment letting me know you're ready to build a faceless channel like this. Subscribe for more system-based breakdowns, and remember, YouTube rewards curiosity, consistency, and watch time, not effort. Now, go execute.